channel. I'm Aishwarya Parab and today I'll be talking about 5 resolutions you can take in 2021. With that being said, let's get started with today's video, shall we? 2021 is approaching and maybe by the time you see this video, you're already in 2021. You'll be pretty much confused which resolutions to take, or you may have everything aligned in your head what you want to do. But here are a few things that will help you in your productivity or self-growth, and these are the things I would like to let you know. Of course, you will be thinking that just 5 things. You have 365 days in your hands and I'm just telling you about 5 changes that you can bring in your life for the next year. Of course, I won't do that. There are more subcategories in each category, not just 5 changes. There are more changes you can accomplish under each category, so stay tuned to know all of those. Let's get started with our first resolution. Our first resolution is completing a fitness goal. Fitness is so important. In order to achieve anything you want to, you need to be fit. Otherwise, you'll get mood swings. You won't have the energy to complete that task. So that is why fitness plays a very important role in our life. Now, in this category, you can take multiple challenges for yourself, or you can accomplish multiple tasks. Say yoga practice, meditation practice, try different workouts or try new workouts every single month. Take a challenge of 1 hour exercise every single day, or even drink more water. Drinking more water, focusing on your diet also comes under fitness goals or accomplishing a fitness goal. And this is really important to stay healthy so that you can achieve more in less period of time. So completing a fitness goal is a great resolution to have. Even completing say 8,000 steps per day is a great goal, or just to make it a little challenging for you, let's complete 10,000 steps per day. Even this can be a fitness goal to achieve. Anything that will help you to stay healthy and wealthy in the long run. Our next resolution you can take in 2021 is learning a new skill. I've emphasized enough on learning a new skill in my previous video. You can watch it. I'll link it in the description box below. Learning a new skill is of utmost importance because whatever you'll achieve, it depends on what work you do, and you'll be able to do many different things at a particular time if and only if you have a lot of skills in hand. So if you know many things, say if you know graphic designing, if you also know content writing, say you also have the skill of digital marketing, or you can also code or program. If you have so many skills at hand, it's likely that you will get more opportunities to shine in the outside world. So it's very important to learn multiple skills so that you can grab those wonderful opportunities and make it fruitful. When I talk about learning a new skill, it can be anything that can help you grow in the long run. It can be related to your career, or it can also be related to your hobby. Say you want to learn to swim, then learning to swim, learning to ride, learning to drive, learning to surf, all of these things come under learning a new skill. So you can learn anything. It need not be necessarily helping you in your career. It can also help you in your hobbies. The next resolution you can take is something everybody can take at any stage in life, which is practicing gratitude. I feel every person should practice gratitude at any stage in one's life, whether you're a teenager, an adult, or a middle-aged man or woman. I think so you should practice gratitude. What comes under practicing gratitude? Let's check some of the subcategories of this resolution. This pandemic has shaken us to the core. Many people have lost their jobs. Some people are still unemployed. Many people have lost their lives. What is the biggest thing in this world? Your life. And if you lose that, how would you feel? But how are you feeling now that you're alive in your house, safe and sound? Have you practiced gratitude? Are you happy? That's something you need to be. That is why I'm saying that practicing gratitude is something everyone can do at any stage of life. Be thankful for even little things you have in hand. Spend time with your family and give the time to your family that they deserve. Learn some good habits so that you can plunge in the near future. Also, focus on your hobbies to explore yourself more. The third resolution you can take in 2021 is sleeping and waking up early. Sleeping early and waking up early comes with multiple benefits. It improves concentration and memory power, provides you with better energy, helps you cover major chunks of your tasks during the day, keeps lifestyle diseases at bay, and helps you look more attractive. So if you have so many benefits at your disposal, then why won't you do it? You can take this as a resolution if your daily schedule does not include waking up early and of course sleeping early. There are other scientific benefits as well that come with this practice, but I have just discussed the main ones that may be important for your productivity and self-growth. Let's now move on to the last resolution you can take during the year. Of course, I have kept the best for the last for you. The last resolution you can take in 2021 is to do one thing at a time. This is so very much important. Whatever tasks you want to achieve, make sure that you're completing each and everything one at a time. Often it so happens that you have so many tasks during the day that you get overwhelmed by them. You're just imagining, you're just working out in your head about you need to do this, you need to do that, and then you need to also do that. But you don't know what exactly you want to set your thumb on. And to do that, you need to either practice journaling or you can make a to-do list to have a spread in front of you of what you need to cover during the day. Also, you can have a tasks list that has different lists incorporated. For example, office related lists, then say a simple to-do list, all the jobs which you need to get done with, your meetings list, grocery list for example. So this actually helps you to declutter all the thoughts you have. You're just cluttering your brain by feeding so much information to it, wherein you don't need to. There are so many tasks you want to achieve. I know it's overwhelming, but you can break it down into small pieces, into small chunks, and do one thing at a time. This will not only relieve you of all that stress, but it will also help you to complete all those tasks easily and faster, because now your brain is cluttered, you have everything organized. And staying organized is the best way to end your day with satisfaction. So these were the 5 resolutions you could take in 2021. You would be thinking that I don't have travel on my list. Of course, a resolution list without traveling is incomplete, but I know that the new virus will explode in 2021, and due to that reason I do know that you won't be able to travel many places. But if you manage to travel, then please inform me in the comment section below. Even I'll make my tour to that city or state. So the conclusion is you can include travel in your resolutions list provided you have all the facilities to do so, you're not in a COVID-19 prone area, and also you take proper safety protocols while traveling. If all those points are ticked, then you can definitely consider traveling. So that's all for today's video. I have given you all 5 resolutions you can take in 2021, but you know for yourself that these are not just 5 suggestions which I have given you. There are recommendations under each category which you can take. So of course, you can have a look at them, play the video again and have a look at each subcategory. You can practice them in your life in 2021. With that being said, I'll see you next time. You take care of yourself. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press on the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Bye!